Hello everyone, I am going to share to all of you my output in activity 3 under topic 6 measures of association. So in this activity, we're going to create a video using the Kendall Tau Correlation. We're going to create our own data set with at least 2 variables and 100 respondents. We are also going to state the objective, the null hypothesis, and compute the R value and P value, which will help us to decide whether to reject or accept our null hypothesis. We are also going to make our data analysis based on the numerical results in a narrative form. After that, we are going to take a screenshots of the results for submission. So I have here my sample. 2 sections underwent summative tests in their math subject. At the end of the time, they were able to get their scores. Consequently, they were also asked to rate the test level of the test from 1 to 3, where 3 is difficult, 2 is average, and 1 is easy. We have here the 2 variables, test level and scores. For the objective, is there a significant correlation between the test level and the scores in a math test? Math test of the student. Our assumed null hypothesis, there is no correlation between the test level and the scores in a math test. We also set our condition significance level to 0.05. So now, we are going to copy the link presented and shared to us in the beginning of the recorded discussion. So for me, I already pasted the link here above about the Spearman rule, Pearson's R, Kendall's Tau correlation for paired sample data. First, we are going to click the Kendall's rank correlation for this activity. Next, our alternative hypothesis, we're going to click two-sided true correlation, non-zero. And after that, we are going to copy the data or the value, which is the test level and the scores. So we have here 100 respondents for these variables. So now I already pasted it here, and we are going to proceed to calculate the results. After that, the results will be generated abruptly, and we will be able to see the solution or the results that we are looking for. So we have here the Kendall's rank correlation sample estimate negative 0.845609. So if we are going to use the Kramer's V and Tau B and C for the strength of correlation or relationship, we can say that the result is less than positive or negative 0.10, which means that our R value is very weak or has a very weak correlation or relationship between the 2 variables. Next, we are going to proceed to our p-value. For our p-value, we have here 4.54, 35, 66, dash 26, 26. So based on the condition of our probability value, if probability value is greater than 0.05, we accept the null hypothesis. However, if the probability value is less than 0.05, we are going to reject our assumed null hypothesis. Since this is the result of the probability value, it is greater than 0.05, therefore our decision for our null hypothesis, we are going to accept our null hypothesis. So we are going to accept our null hypothesis. Now, since we get the Kendall Tau correlation value and our probability value, we already justify our null hypothesis that the two variables has no correlation with each other. Now we are going to make our analysis for this activity. So there you have it, our data analysis and the process on how to get um, data or the value of the value or the variables using the Kendall Tau correlation. So that would be all. Thank you.